Capacity is a term usually applied to the measurement of liquids and containers. The capacity of a container is the volume of liquid that it can hold. To understand capacity, we also need to understand how many litres make a milliliter, how many kilolitres make a litre, how many megalitres make a litre. There's a conversion table here. Okay, let's look here. It's asking me 13.2 litres, how many centimetres cubed would that take? I have a relationship here between centimetres cubed and mils. So the first thing I'm going to do is change 13.2 litres into mils. And looking at the conversion table above, if I'm going litres to mils, I need to times it by 1,000. So I go 13.2 times by 1,000. That gives me 13,200 mils. Then, what is the relationship between mils? 13,200 litres. Then what is the relation? It's 13,200 mils. I was right. And then what is the relationship between mils and centimetres cubed? The relationship here, it's a ratio of 1 to 1. So 13,200 mils gives us 13,200 centimetres cubed. The next question. If it's 3.1 metres cubed volume, how many litres would go in there? Well, 1 metre cubed is 1,000 litres. So if it's 3.1 metres cubed, I times that by 1,000, and that gets me 3,100 litres. The next question is asking us to convert centimetres cubed to millimetres cubed. I haven't copied the conversion table. It is in your textbook. And for centimetres cubed to millimetres cubed, we times it by 1,000. So I get 0.13. I times that by 1,000, and that gives me 130 millimetres cubed. How many kilolitres in a metre cubed? Well, I need to work out how many kilolitres make up a litre. So looking at our conversion table, kilolitres to litres I times by 1,000. So 3.8 times by 1,000 gives me 3,800 litres. 3,800 litres. Then I want to know, if I've got 3,800 litres, how many metres cubed that is. So I'm going this way, so I then divide by 1,000. So if I divide that by 1,000, I get back to my 3.8 metres cubed because I've divided that by 1,000. So these conversion charts are in your textbook. The reason we need to know them, because sometimes questions about volume will ask you what's the volume in centimetres cubed or metres cubed. Sometimes they'll ask you the volume in capacity, and if it asks you volume in capacity, you need to understand that 1 centimetre cubed equals 1 mil of capacity. 1 metre cubed is equal to 1,000 litres of capacity.